So, hello and welcome to this video. Today we will doing Excel BI challenge, Excel BI challenge 40. And let's see, why do we so currently Excel BI is at challenge 500 or something like this, with a lot of Power Query challenges in between. So why do we doing such a low number from around a year ago, such a challenge? Because it's the higher challenges are more likely to be a little bit more complicated, and the lower challenges are a little bit simpler, and therefore it's better to explain them. So I will not only solve the challenges, I will also explain what I will do. So it's more like of a learning thing. Yeah, and you can find those challenges on LinkedIn. You can also find a lot of solutions there, but would not take a look at there. So what we will do today. So we need to find the character that is, so only the unique characters, and the character needs to be there at least twice. So I need something to split, to unique the characters, and then to look if they're there. So I first take them there, then I take them. I use the let function to structure them, because all those challenges, they're done with the one formula approach. So you have only one formula and not drag the formulas down or something like this. You have only one formula to put into to spill all the expected answers. And therefore I start with most or often I start with doing this for one row, and then looking how you look at how you can do this for multiple rows. So make a map function, throw a map function over it or something like this. So TNT, so I will, but I see this isn't the best to start. Yeah, let's start here. So now we split it with the mid function. So it splits every character length on t. So now you can see I split vulture in single characters. Now I do it for the second one. I could do a lambda here and into a lambda, but I won't do it because then it's too complicated to explain it. Now I make the unique characters out of the first split. As you can see, vulture is unique, but if I put there in second V, then it wouldn't change anything, because also with a small one, because the V is already there, and therefore the unique function wouldn't add a new character. And then we make an XMATCH. The lookup value is our unique character, and the lookup array is the second split, and everything that is I need an if error there. So we have like, this shouldn't work. This number kind of, so what have we done there? We have matched the unique characters against the single characters in the second text, the splitted ones. And then the XMatch gives you the number of the position, and where there isn't a number, as you saw before, where there is this NA error, there I've made an is number formula I've put over it. So now everywhere where true is, there is a unique character that is in both columns. Now I can use the filter function to filter the splitted uniques, so the splitted unique characters, and then concat them. And now I have formula for everything. I need an if error because when there isn't anything to do, you will have an error. Then, so as you can see, it's like the solution before, but now I want this with only one formula. So I use the map function to map both texts over it. So T and TT. And now, as I've used only this one in the formula before, I can delete them. It's slightly longer. Oh, it isn't longer. It is exactly 1 error. Wait. Wrong written. And now, as you can see, it's exactly the same as before. As you have seen, I am on English formulas, but on a different delimiter as I live in Europe, and therefore I want to post a solution there. I put it into a Word document and exchange all the semicolon delimiters to comma delimiters. And there we have our solution. Yeah, they're looking mostly the same, so it isn't like that we've done anything very differently. So that was the short explanation and the run through to challenge 40.